Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So in this video, how do you find diamond in Blox route on the second sea? So first and foremost, to get it, you have to go past the arena here, and you're going to need to defeat the diamond boss himself. You're going to be participating in a glorious combat with him, and only then can you get this one. So diamond boss is at level 750, so you can only find it on the second sea. So he's located on a hill on top, which covered in flowers right here. So go to the flower hill in the kingdom of Rose in the second sea, where you'll engage with the boss in glorious, so to say, glorious hand-to-hand combat where you'll get defeated most of the time, but with persistence you'll be able to kill him right here. So that's just it. Thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.